Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You deserve peace of mind. You've worked hard all your life. But one question lingers for many. Will my money last? An immediate annuity can help answer that question. It can provide a guaranteed income stream for life. An immediate annuity is an insurance contract. You pay a lump sum to an insurance company. In return, you get regular payments. These payments start almost immediately. They continue for the rest of your life. This financial tool can be a powerful ally in retirement. It provides predictable income. This can help you cover essential expenses. These expenses include housing, healthcare, and food. Let's explore the benefits and drawbacks of immediate annuities. This will help you decide if they're right for you. One of the biggest fears in retirement is outliving your savings. It's a valid concern. People are living longer. Healthcare costs are rising. An immediate annuity can alleviate this fear. It guarantees you'll receive income for life. This feature is especially attractive to retirees who have a long life expectancy, are concerned about market volatility, and want a predictable income stream. With an immediate annuity, you don't have to worry about market downturns. Your income is secure. This peace of mind is invaluable. It allows you to enjoy your retirement years without constant financial worry. Immediate annuities are relatively simple. You make a one-time payment to an insurance company. This is called the premium. The insurance company then starts sending you regular payments. These payments can be monthly, quarterly, or annual. You choose the frequency that suits you best. The amount of each payment is determined by several factors. These include the size of your premium, your age and life expectancy, and the annuity's interest rate. Once you purchase an immediate annuity, your payments are guaranteed. This simplicity and stability make it an attractive option for retirees who prefer a hands-off approach to managing their finances. The financial markets can be unpredictable. Stocks go up and down. Bonds fluctuate. This volatility can be nerve-wracking for retirees. They need their investments to provide a steady income. Immediate annuities offer a safe haven from market storms. Your income is not linked to the stock market. It's guaranteed by the insurance company. This means you'll continue to receive your payments regardless of market conditions. This protection from market volatility is a major advantage of immediate annuities. It provides retirees with peace of mind. They know their income is secure, no matter what happens in the financial world. Section 5. Potential tax advantages. Maximizing your retirement income. In addition to providing guaranteed income, immediate annuities may offer tax advantages. The specific tax treatment of annuity payments depends on your jurisdiction and the type of annuity you choose. In some cases, a portion of each annuity payment may be tax-free. This is because part of the payment represents a return of your original investment. The remaining portion, which represents interest earnings, is taxed as ordinary income. It's important to consult with a tax advisor to understand the tax implications of purchasing an immediate annuity. They can help you determine if an annuity is a tax-efficient way to generate retirement income in your specific situation. Section 6. Understanding the drawbacks. Loss of principal and growth potential. While immediate annuities offer many benefits, it's crucial to be aware of their drawbacks. One significant disadvantage is the loss of principal. When you purchase an immediate annuity, you typically give up access to your lump sum payment. This means you won't be able to access those funds for other purposes, such as unexpected expenses, investment opportunities, or leaving an inheritance. Another drawback is the limited growth potential. Immediate annuities typically offer lower returns than other investments, such as stocks or bonds. This is because the insurance company guarantees your income regardless of market performance. Section 7. Inflation risk and limited flexibility. Important considerations. Inflation is the gradual increase in the price of goods and services over time. It erodes the purchasing power of your money, while immediate annuities provide a fixed income stream. They don't always keep pace with inflation. This means your annuity payments may buy less over time. To mitigate inflation risk, some annuities offer inflation-adjusted payments. However, these annuities typically come with lower initial payments. Another consideration is the limited flexibility of immediate annuities. Once you purchase an annuity, it can be challenging to make changes. This lack of flexibility can be a drawback if your financial situation changes unexpectedly. Section 8. Choosing a reputable insurer. Protecting your investment. The security of your annuity payments depends on the financial strength of the insurance company. It's crucial to choose a reputable insurer with a strong track record. When evaluating insurers, consider the following factors: financial ratings from agencies like AM Best, Moody's, and Standard & Poor's, the insurer's history and experience in the annuity market, and customer reviews and complaints. Take the time to research and compare different insurers before making a decision. This will give you confidence that your annuity payments are safe and secure. Section 9. Is an immediate annuity right for you? Factors to consider. Deciding if an immediate annuity is right for you is a personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your individual circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. Here are some factors to consider. Age and health. Younger retirees may want to consider other investment options with greater growth potential. However, if you have a long life expectancy, an immediate annuity can provide valuable income security. Risk tolerance. If you're risk-averse and prioritize guaranteed income, an immediate annuity can be a good fit. However, if you're comfortable with market volatility and seeking higher returns, other investments may be more suitable. Income needs. Assess your overall retirement income needs, including Social Security, pensions, and other investments. Determine how much income you need from an annuity to cover your expenses. Existing savings. Consider how an immediate annuity fits into your overall retirement plan. If you have substantial savings, an annuity can provide an additional layer of income security. Alternatives to immediate annuities include deferred annuities, which allow you to defer income payments until a later date, potentially accumulating more interest over time. Dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a stream of income and potential for growth. And real estate investments, as rental properties can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. Consult with a qualified financial advisor to determine the best course of action for your specific situation. They can help you weigh the pros and cons of immediate annuities and explore alternative investment options. Securing a comfortable retirement requires careful planning and sound financial decisions. By understanding immediate annuities and considering your options, you can make informed choices that align with your retirement goals. Don't wait, start planning your financial future today. And be sure to watch our next video on a specific investment topic to learn more about diversifying your retirement income.
Bye.